Hey, Fry Guy here, and today we got another video. And today we're working on another Hardt Inferno 4500, and today I'm going to show you how to change the drain valve, the drain pump on one of these units. Now, just so you know on how you can diagnose these drain units is really simple. There's only two lines. One goes to a terminal block, another one goes to a controller. If you got power going to that drain valve, or excuse me, that drain pump, the pump is bad. It's that simple. In this case, that's what happened here. So we're going to get in there and we are going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to actually get access to it and remove it so that way you will know how to do this job in the future. So let's get inside and get to work. Here's the unit. First thing we're going to do is take off this piece here. It just slides up, move it out of the way, move this drain catch out of the way, take this off. They all just left off. And on the bottom, there's... just burnt myself. There's two screws, one here, one on the other end. And take this side panel off so we can get access to the pump. Now just so you know, the slide panel slides up under this here, so you're gonna have to slide it down and then back out a little bit at an angle to get it off. Once it's off, next we gotta go ahead, there's a screw right here on the side and one down there. We gotta loosen up so we can move it because right here is your drain pump. And we're gonna have to disconnect these hoses and stuff to get to it. So let's go ahead and do that next. I lied, there's three screws. There's one right there in the bottom. Also, don't forget to unplug the unit before you do any of this work. Alright, so here's the pump. Now we just got to undo the hoses here. Disconnect the wires, put the new one in, and then we should be good to go. I'll show you how to do that in a second. If you're watching this, there's hose clamps that go back here. You'll see back here. There's one right there, and there's another one right here that you can't get access to because it's in front of this clamp and hose and everything here. Please, for future references, please make sure you have the hose clamp facing somewhere where we can actually get to it. Okay, now to get to that hose clamp that's back here, I'm sorry it's a little dark right there, push this down, disconnect it. It should be able to move it to the side, and then you can get access to that and remove that hose clamp. Okay, once you got this disconnected, here are your wire ends, so you may have to cut a hose zip tie, like you see here. Disconnect the wire, do one wire at a time so that we have access to the other one, no problem, and then reconnect the new pump. Now just so you know, the new part number for this particular thing is 9916447. So I'm going to go ahead and do the wires, and it comes actually in a little baggie here that you'll see. It's already in a bag. Keep that bag on there. It's to help protect it from getting wet and stuff because it's towards the floor and stuff like that, and it just prevents it from shorting out or going bad. So let's go ahead and install the new one real quick. Okay, be a little careful, they're a little tight. The old ones actually broke off, so I had to replace the little pieces here, but it's no big deal. Once you're done, slide this over and then zip tie it back up, reconnect the pump so it goes this way, and then we'll give it a test run. Alright, once it's all on, reassemble it, put that guard back up, put the side panel back on, plug it in, and give it a test run. There you go. It works. Alright, so there you go. There you have it. That's how you change the drain pump on the Hardt Inferno 4500s there. Now that pump generally goes bad for a couple of reasons. Number one, one of the reasons can be it got wet and just corroded and went bad. But you know, they do a good job of preventing that because of the bag. But the biggest thing, which happened to this particular one, was that it got clogged and jammed up because the store is not properly cleaning the unit. They're allowing all that chunks and stuff to get into there and impacted the motor, the impeller in that pump. And then it just couldn't spin anymore, burning the motor out. So, you know, that's one of the reasons. So to help prevent that, make sure they're cleaning it, probably getting all the big chunks and stuff out of the unit. And then they'll be good to go. With that, guys, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, go ahead, hit that like button. Also, if you've got any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that bell for more notifications. With that, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.